With any project, you need to plan first so everything turns out successful in the end. So the step one is going to be figuring out the size of your sketchbook. And this is really easy. You can really pick any size you want. It doesn't matter. I mean, your sketchbook could be really long and skinny. It could be the entire size of a letter sheet of paper, which is 8.5 by 11. It really doesn't matter what you decide, except for this. So your first step would be figure out the size of your covers. So say I want my cover to be 8 by 10 inches. So my cover is 8 by 10 inches. The point of having a cover for your sketchbook is to protect the pages that are on the inside. So we want the cover to be a little bit bigger than the pages of your book. So what you would do is take these numbers and just subtract a 1/2 inch to get the page size of each of these. So 8 minus 1/2 inch is 7.5 inches, and 10 minus 1/2 inch is 9.5 inches. So these are going to be my page size. And basically our goal is to have it inset as so. So like I said in the introduction with the materials, I make templates for my students, and this is what they look like. So I make templates for their pages, and I mark the sizes on there. So this is 7.5 inches, this symbol means inches, and it's 9.5 tall, so 7.5 by 8.5. And I always write a P on here, as that represents pages. Then I make a second template for their cover. So now we have 8 inches by 10 inches, and then I write a C for the cover to keep it really simple. And if you overlap these, you will notice that it is perfectly inset a 1/4 inch all the way around, and this will ensure that my pages are protected if you follow these instructions properly.